What's up, you guys? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So today I am going to be filming my beauty room tour. So many of you guys have requested this since I moved. I moved at the very end of September. I will put my unfurnished house tour somewhere around here so you guys can check it out. My house actually looks completely different now because we've done a lot of renovations, but a fully furnished house tour of my whole house will be coming soon. But for the first video, I wanted to do my beauty room tour specifically because I know that's what a lot of you guys really care about. So we are in my new beauty room right now. I am so excited to show you guys everything. I also really apologize for my lack of uploads for the last week and a half, or really for the month of November. I've only gotten up a couple of videos, and that is because I did get married, I did go on my honeymoon, and then right when we came back was Thanksgiving. So it was crazy, but I am back. Thank you guys for being amazing and allowing me to have like a little break, but I am ready to dive in. I have so many video ideas for December. I am so excited, and I wanted to kick it off with a very highly requested video like this one. So many of you guys have wanted to see. So you guys are gonna see when I get into the tour that now in my old apartment, my beauty room, and my filming studio were all in one room. In my new house, I did separate them, which I'm really glad to be able to have that separation. So this room is just dedicated to beauty and makeup. None of my filming stuff is in here. So it's just like makeup and fun things like that. So I can't wait to show you guys everything. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first I'm gonna give you guys a little overview from the door and kind of what you see in my beauty room. This room actually was once, I think, bright blue. We painted it white because I just wanted to keep the walls like neutral and white rather than doing a color, but I kind of wanted to add color with other things, which you guys will see throughout the tour. But yeah, this is like an overview of the room. The curtains are a combo of different curtains. I wanted to do like a pink curtain, but then I also wanted to do like these sheer white ones. So the sheer white curtains are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and the pink curtains with like the grommets are from Home Goods actually. So I kind of have a little mixture of the curtain colors. I wanted to add like both pink and white. And then over here is like kind of the main area of my beauty room. This is where I sit and get ready and where my vanity and everything is. I just love the way that this turned out. I have my little CoverGirl signs up here because that was something really cool that I got to work on. So I wanted to frame them and have them in my room. My huge vanity mirror is from Impressions Vanity. I love, love, love this. And that's actually where this desk is from as well. This desk is so amazing. This is new. I did not have this. I had like an Ikea desk in my old apartment, but I got this here. It has so much more storage. It's amazing. Also from Impressions Vanity. I will put a link to them down below so you guys can check them out if you are interested. But all of my lighted mirrors have been from them. It's amazing. So this mirror just has like a little switch on the side so you can switch it off, and it'll look like this. It might actually allow me to show you better if it's off because the light is so bright, so you guys can actually see everything. And you can dim that light too. It has a dimmer on the side as well. And then on the other side, there's like a little USB plug, but it is absolutely huge. I love it. It's a lot bigger than the old one that I used to have. I used to have a much smaller one. So again, I will link it down below with the exact model and everything that I have because they have quite a few and like different price ranges and stuff. So we will just go through everything on this side. I guess we will just start right here. I have this organizer, and I get so many questions about this with these like cute little knobs. I am not 100% sure where this is from. I'm so sorry. If I can find it, I will link it down below. I've had it for quite some time, but I just filled this with some like essential lip products. I didn't want to overfill this. I did a huge like declutter and stuff, so I only put like really things that I use a lot in here. So these are like lip glosses and lipsticks that I really, really like. I have like MAC liquid lipsticks down here on the bottom, and the rest is pretty much all lip glosses, and then I have some new Lancome lipsticks up here. But I still have like a lot of room to add like extra stuff in all these drawers. I didn't want to like overstuff it because that's what I've done in the past, so I want to have room to put more things. And then I have my Alex 9 drawers on either side. Those are from Ikea. I've had them for years. These were in my old beauty room and they came here as well. I have these stuffed with makeup, of course. So like just the top here, we have like eyeliners, random setting spray, random like potted eyeshadows, lip liners and stuff. Like these honestly are not that crazy organized, but they do hold my stuff. I do know where everything is. Like this is mascaras. They're kind of a nightmare. This isn't really a makeup collection tour, just more of like a beauty room tour, but I figured I'd show you guys some. Here's like random brushes. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing because it's not organized at all. Random palettes, but yeah, where I really organized is in this new desk, and this is where I have the stuff that I use all the time, like my most used things, and then this is just more like extra stuff, not necessarily things that I'm gonna be grabbing for every single day, but stuff that I'll use for videos and other things like that. Or if I get new product, I will put it in here, where the desk is more like essential stuff that I use all the time. So like I said, I have the Alex 9 drawer here on the other side as well. On top of that, I have this organizer. This also I've had for years and years, and I'm not 100% sure where. although I believe you can get a very similar one on Amazon, so I will try and link that down below. But I also just have like some essential lip glosses and stuff in here. Again, wanted to keep this not super full, so I had room to add more things. I have lip liners. Then on my actual vanity, I have this little guy. This was actually a gift that was sent to me from a company. I want to say like it was like Lancome or something that sent this with lipsticks in it, but I filled it with my favorite MAC lipsticks. They're my favorite brand of lipsticks, so I just have like my essential MAC lipsticks in here, and then I have some of my favorite liquid lipsticks on top. So like I have some Ofra. You guys know I love Ofra. You guys can use code Kelly30 for a discount on their liquid lipsticks, or literally on everything, but love them. So I have like my favorite neutrals from them, and then I also have Stila, my favorite neutrals from Stila, because their liquid lipsticks are amazing as well. These Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. So I just have those on top. These are like my most used lipstick products. And then I do have this little mirror here. This is from Simple Human, and it actually like lights up when you get close to it. It's kind of cool, and then it'll turn off automatically, but it's like a close-up mirror or whatever. So I use this like when I'm doing my eyebrows and things like that. But yeah, love that, and it's like rose gold. Super pretty, so I will do my best to link that down below. And now for my actual vanity. Well, I guess I'll show you guys the chair first because I'll move it out of the way so I can open everything for you. But the chair is like actually a ghost chair. So this is from Ikea. It was like actually pretty affordable because these are very expensive online, like a couple $100s, but at Ikea this is like 79 bucks. So I was like, that is for me. So that's the chair that I have, and I'll put the name to it in the description box. And then I just put this little pink rug that I got on clearance at HomeGoods over it because I thought that it added like a cute little pop of color, and it kind of matches and pulls in with the curtains and the different pictures that I have on the walls. So that's that. I also keep these little essentials on top of that sleigh station. These are like my brushes. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray because I always set my makeup with that, and then I have a little beauty blender. These little like glass brush holders, I actually found these at HomeGoods. So I just bought 4 of them. They were super affordable. I want to say like $4 or $5 each, and filled them with the brushes that I use all the time. So I have 2 eye ones and 2 face ones. So yeah, that's kind of just like the essentials that I keep on the desk. But I'll move the chair out of the way, and I will show you guys this desk, which I am so obsessed with. I believe this is called the Sleigh Station from Impressions Vanity, but again, everything will be linked in the description box, so definitely check there if you're interested. They have this in a variety of colors, but I got the glossy white, I think is what it is, but I'm obsessed with it. I really love how the top is mirrored so you can see in. As you guys can see, I did all of my palettes, or like my most used palettes, in these drawers, and I love that I can see them. It just adds such a pretty little like addition, I feel like, to everything, since it is a beauty room. So I have a lot of the little Huda Beauty palettes in here, her bigger palettes, Violet Voss, you guys know that I love, some MAC quads. In here, I did like all of the cult favorites. So like we have like all the Naked palettes. I have a Too Faced Glitter Bomb, a lot of the Too Faced chocolate bars with the sweet peach, and like some smaller little Urban Decay palettes. So these are like kind of the classics, I would say, at least to me. So that's what I put in that drawer. And then in this last drawer over here, I have some like random palettes that I really like. So I have like the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I have a few Marc Jacobs, Laura Lee Los Angeles, this guy from Tarte. Oh, I love this palette, the Urban Decay Born to Run. It's really nice. Modern Renaissance. Oh, the Master palette by Mario. It's supposed to be like that. Tartelette, Natasha Denona, just a couple random palettes that I do really like to use. And then in these drawers on the side, I have like different essentials. So up top here, I have eyeliners, and then I have like these little liquid glitters that I love to use to like amp up my eye looks. So I have that in the top drawer. I have concealers. Again, these are like the most used. I love the Too Faced one and the Tarte Shape Tape, of course. Then I have powders. These are not super organized, you know, but I do use them. Then we have, oh, these are highlights, blushes, and bronzers that I love. And then all the way on the bottom, we have like random extra palettes. And then on the other side, we have primers in the first drawer. Then I have mascaras and then brow products. Foundations, which these always move a lot. I feel like I need to put more in here because there's not enough, so they always move back when I close the drawer, but those are my most used. Obviously, you guys see we have a lot of Too Faced Born This Way in there because I love that. Then we have lashes. This is a little, you know, not super organized, but again, this is a drawer that I frequently do use. So like over here, I have lash glues and different like applicators and like tweezers and things, and lots of lashes. And then the lash drawer is like overflow of lashes that I love as well. So yeah, that is what I keep in here. That's again stuff that I use all the time, very, very frequently. So that's what I like to keep in here. And honestly, this is like the most amazing thing that I've ever had. The other desk that I had just had like 2 drawers at the top. It didn't have anything on the sides, and this has helped so much with organization and has freed up a lot of space because these little plastic containers used to be completely stuffed. Where now, since I have so much stuff in here, I was able to really like open those up for, you know, new things to put in there, as well as in the Alex 9 drawers too. So yeah, that's kind of this area over here. The pictures, most of the pictures that you guys are gonna see on the walls are just from Home Goods randomly, so I can't really link them, but that's where the pictures are from. Then moving along over here in the corner, I have this gold mirror. I got this at Home Goods. I just wanted to have like a full length mirror to put in the room, so that's over there. Then we have kind of this area. So up top, I have 3 pictures, again, all from Home Goods. And then this is where I have these clear shoe organizers. So these are from the Container Store. These are not super, super organized, as you guys can tell by the one that I pulled out. That's concealers. This is kind of like extra stuff that I have, and a lot of times I will put new stuff in here too when I get it. So like I have like lipsticks and things in here. Again, I can do like a full makeup collection tour, but I did that not that long ago in my old apartment. So the makeup collection and like the drawers and stuff aren't that much different. It's just a different setup. But I did have this like unit down here in my old apartment, and this is actually in my beauty room just because I like the way these sit on top, but this doesn't have makeup, so I'm not gonna be really going through those drawers. Like these drawers are very random. Like this drawer is like stuff for Prince. Like I have like little outfits and things in here for him. So it's kind of just like random stuff that I keep in here, so I'm not gonna be going through that because it's not really makeup. I do have some skincare down in here, like a little excess overflow, because I keep a lot of the skincare in my bathroom now. I used to keep more in my beauty room, but I have more space in the bathroom, but I do have like excess, like, you know, little masks and things and different skincare products in these drawers. Oh, this drawer is like completely empty. Yeah, I think a lot of the drawers on this side are empty as well, so we won't necessarily go through that. But yeah, I have these Container Store containers. I do really like these. I thought about completely transitioning my collection to these clear drawers, but I don't know, something about it just, I like this setup. I like the Alex 9 drawers. I know it's like old and people don't use them that much anymore, but like I like it. It's what I'm used to, and I love this new desk, so I didn't feel as though I needed to do that. But I do like to keep some of my makeup in here, and it is cool how you can see through and kind of see, you know, what you're looking at, as you guys can see. But yeah, so I kind of have like a half and half situation. Most people have like one or the other, but yeah, that is what those drawers are. Up top, I have this. This is a PR mailer that I got from MAC a while ago, but I've kept it because it's really great for organization. It has like a bunch of different lipsticks. Some of them I have used or like taken out of here, but that's what this looks like. So I have kept it up on top because I liked the way that it kept them all together. And then I have this big thing from CoverGirl, which is also a PR mailer, because I liked the way that it kept everything kind of in here so I can reach for it. It's kind of like an organizer in and of itself. So I've kept that up here as well. But yeah, that's what we got going on over here. And then yeah, that's basically the whole room. And then over here, we just have a closet, which there's actually nothing in the closet yet. But eventually, you know, I can put different things in there, but it's just a regular closet. And then we have our chandelier too. Let me turn it off. I feel like you guys will be able to see it better if I turn it off. Sorry if it just got really dark, but it's like pouring outside, but I feel like this is how you guys can actually see what the chandelier looks like. This was actually from Ikea, and it was pretty affordable. It was only about $70 or so, I wanna say, where most chandeliers are well over 100 at like Lowe's and stuff. I thought it was really cool and kind of different, so I like the way it kind of hangs. It kind of looks like a disco ball or something, but I like it. I got it from Ikea, and it was like super easy to install. I didn't install it, but Steven did, and he said it was easy. So that's where that light is from. There used to be like a fan in here, but I took that down because I just figured I didn't need it and I wanted something kind of glam. All right, you guys, so that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. I'm gonna be doing a kitchen tour very soon as well, because I told you guys that we renovated our kitchen for under $1,000. So that is coming very, very soon. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited and ready for December, because there's gonna be lots of uploads from me, and I'm super stoked. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.